This question says the line L is shown on the grid below. You have the y-axis and you have the x-axis. And part 1 says write the equation of the line L in the form y is equal to mx plus c. M now would be the gradient or the slope of the line. As you can see, it's an upward slope, so it will be, this is a positive slope. And C now is the y-intercept where the line touches the y-axis. So let's begin the solution. We first have to find what is the gradient and what is the y-intercept. And then we can complete the equation. So to complete this solution, we first have to find the gradient M. Then we have to find the y-intercept C. And then we can complete the equation y is equal to mx plus c. The equation will have the letters y and x, but m and c will be numbers. So let's find C. M. M is rise over run or run on the rise. Okay, so we can start, let's start with that point right here. So I'm going to, so you can choose any arbitrary pointer to do that. Right. So let's start with this point right here. Resume recording. The rise will be a vertical line. Let's put this line in bold. Let's thicken it a little bit. So let's write that down. Centralize, maximize, bold, 1, right. Let us hide the line and no field. No line and no field. Okay. Let's X this out. So as we said, now the rise is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the rise here, the distance from here to here is 1. And the run now will be 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay? So the run here will be 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. And let us highlight it. So the run now will actually be 3, starting from here to here, all right? 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis. So that will be the run. Okay? And the rise now will be on the y-axis from 1 to 2. That's just 1. So the gradient is actually 1 over 3 because it's rise over run. So the gradient is 1 over 3. So therefore the gradient now is 1, or m is equal to 1 over 3. That's the gradient. Okay? 1 over 3. So now we are going to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept now is where the line touches the y-axis. And you can see the line touches the y-axis at 1. We can clearly see that the line L touches the y-axis at 1. So this will be the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 1, c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1. So now we have the gradient and the y-intercept. So we can complete the equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore now the equation is y is equal to 1 over 3 times x, because remember m is equal to 1 over 3. And bear in mind the equation must have y and x in it. So y is equal to 1 over 3x plus c, but c is 1. So y is equal to 1 over 3x plus 1. So this will be the equation of the line. Y is equal to 1 over 3x plus 1. So 1 over 3 represents the gradient and 1 represents the y-intercept. So the equation is y is equal to 1 over 3x plus 1.